Hello, very good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you, and warm welcome from Spark Academy. Hi, this is Vaishali. Come down. Hello, everyone. So, yes, we have completed Living World yesterday. Now we are going to start a new chapter, second chapter of NCERT first year syllabus, biological classification. So, yes, can I have some quick comments if you can hear my voice clearly and if you can see the screen properly? Please, those who have joined, can I have some quick comments, please? Those who have joined, can I have some? So, good evening, everyone. I hope you can hear my voice clearly. If you cannot, then please connect me in the chat section. So, yes, today we'll be going to we'll going to discuss about the concept of biological classification along with the PYQs and their solutions. Yes, I'll be giving you some homework DIY questions also. So before jumping into biological classification directly, let me tell you that yes, you can follow Spark Academy in sparkacademyonline.com. Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Spark, see everywhere you can join us. You can follow us for better tips and tricks. So normally we used to make reels and tips and tricks we are going to share in form of reels also. So yes, you can follow us on Instagram also. So this is our team: physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. So you can see here. We all are conducting online live daily free sessions on YouTube. So for that you need to do one thing, that go in YouTube and then search for Spark Academy. Don't forget that this is our logo, blue color logo of the Spark Academy. So check the logo properly and then subscribe to our channel and then press the bell icon for more notifications that which all classes will be going on. Okay, so you will get notification at that point whenever we are going to start a class. Before that, so admissions are open right now. So on daily basis we are conducting classes and in session doubt clarification is there. You all are aware of that, how we are clearing the doubt in session also. So right now, regular as well as long-term courses are going on. So you can take admission, you can go for the admissions. So they are open right now for classroom as well as online coaching. Good evening, Kiran. So this is the YouTube schedule, guys. Monday, Tuesday, English. Wednesday, Thursday, Telugu. So, preferable language, look for your preferable language. Yes, from this year onwards, we are conducting class in Telugu also. So, yes, I'll be taking class for biology and English, and Wednesdays, Thursdays, you will be having class for Telugu, biology in Telugu. So, whatever may be your preferable language, you can join those classes. So yes, if you want to join the Spark Academy, if any of your friend is interested to join as a classroom as well as online coaching, yes, then you can use this coupon code, that is VAI10 Vaishali 10. Then you will be getting a huge discount over all our courses. It's not about that you can join, you can if you are joining for the biology, then only you can go get this discount. You will get discount in EAMCET JEE also. So then you will be enlisted in my student list. So This is our topic today, biological classification, second chapter. Diversity in living world in the unit 1 of second chapter is biological classification. So number of questions asked from this chapter, normally 3 to 4 questions are asked from this question. So 3 to 4 questions, so 4 multiplied by 4. So around 16 marks, 12 to 16 marks you will get from this chapter. So stay tuned with me this 1 hour and next week also. So we'll be completing complete concept-wise discussion of biological classification. And I'm sure that after attending this class, you will be not facing any type of difficulties in biological classification. So we'll grab these marks. Okay, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Those who have not joined, join fast. Ask your friends to join fast. Ma'am is online. She is going to start the discussion of the concepts now. Okay, so connect your friends and connect with me quickly. Just a second, guys. So classification, what is classification? Biological classification is a grouping of organism into groups and subgroups based on their similarities and dissimilarities. So what is the importance of classification? So it makes the study of the large number of living organism easy. So it gives an idea of whole range of diversity found in the organism, provides information about the interrelationship among the organism. What is that called? Relationship, ancestral relationship. If we classify considering ancestral relationship, what term we are using for that type of classification? When you consider evolutionary relationship. Yes, come on, those who have joined, come on, answer in the chat section. What is the term for this type of classification when we consider evolutionary relationship? When you consider evolutionary relationship to classify an organism, yes, that is known as systematics, or that type of classification system, it is known as phylogenetic classification. Correct, Kiran? Very good. It is known as phylogenetic classification. Okay, what do we mean by phonetic classification? We have discussed yesterday only, that's why I'm asking. What is the meaning of phonetic classification? Phonetic means what? Come on, I'm waiting for your answer. I can see many of you have joined the class, but no, only one person is answering. Phonetic classification means correct, Kiran, based on the morphological or observable characters. If you classify an organism, then it is known as phonetic classification. Okay, so these are different types of classification system. You can see here. This is not given in NCERT, but yes, we can include few more points here. So two kingdom classification. Two kingdom classification is there. I mean, Linnaeus, first Linnaeus has classified organism into two groups only, two kingdoms only, Plantae and Animalia, but he was unable to say anything about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So, correct, Kiran. So, three kingdom classification then given by Ernst Haeckel. So, in that third kingdom was introduced as Kingdom Protista. So, which three kingdoms he has given? He had given. So, Kingdom Protista, Plantae, and Animalia. Kingdom Protista, Plantae, Animalia. Then, four kingdom classification given by Copeland. So, according to four kingdom classification, now he has included Monera. So, Monera Protista, Metaphyta, Metazoa. Metaphyta, Metazoa, that means whenever we are using phyta, term phyta, that means it relates to plants. Always remember, plants, phycum, phyta, all these are related in a zoo that relates to animals. Simple. Zoological park, zoo park. We are going, and visit a zoo park to see the animals, not plants, right? So metaphyta, that means advanced eukaryotic plants, and metazoa, advanced eukaryotic animals. Then five kingdom classification was given by R.H. Whitaker in 1869. Sorry, it's in 1969. Then kingdom Monera, here it is 18, here it is 18. Okay, 1869 only. So kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, Protista, Monera, fungi, plants and animals. So, so remember the different names here. See, as I have told you, phyta relates to plants, zoo relates to animals, like that. Myco relates to fungi. Some one call it as fungi, some call it as fungi. It's your wish, whatever you want to pronounce. Okay, pronunciation doesn't make any difference in our NEET exam. Okay, Mycota, that means exclusively fungi kingdom. Metaphyta, again phyta, that means plants, and zoa, that means animals. So finally, five kingdom classification was given by R.H. Whitaker, and according to him, there are five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Mycota, Metaphyta, Metazoa. Okay, then look here, five kingdom classification. So American taxonomists divided all the organism into five kingdoms based on their evolutionary relationship among themselves. So five kingdom classification is based on the following criteria: complexity of the cell structure, mode of nutrition. Remember here that complexity he has considered, but not exactly the nucleus. Okay, not exactly the nuclear structure. Then mode of nutrition, body organization, phylogenetic and evolutionary relationship. So five kingdoms are Monera, which includes all the prokaryotes, only prokaryotes. Now tell me difference between pro and eukaryotes. Come on. What is the main difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Prokaryotes, eukaryotes. So your name itself suggests pro, that means is equal to pro plus caryon. Okay, and here pro means primitive. Primitive or primary type. And caryon means nucleus. And in eukaryotes, U means wherever you find the prefix U, that means true. Caryon means nucleus again. That means organisms which has organism which has true nucleus, they are known as eukaryotes. True nucleus, that means with nuclear membrane. Like in these type of cell, for example, this is the cell, then this is the nucleus with nuclear membrane. Well defined nucleus is there, nuclear membrane. Say well defined nucleus. Okay guys, an organism which do not possess this nuclear membrane, they have this primitive type of nucleus, they are known as prokaryotes. So all the prokaryotes, they are included here in first kingdom, kingdom Monera. This includes all the prokaryotes. In protists, it is the group, it is the kingdom of unicellular eukaryotes. Protista, it is about eukaryotes. That means remember, in protists they have well-defined nucleus. Well-defined nucleus is there. Then plantae, chlorophyll bearing organism, multicellular producers. Remember producers, that means, see, if you run a company, then some companies produce some products, and products are used by the consumers. So all others are consumers, but this chlorophyll bearing, they can only produce the food. So that's why they are known as producers. Fungi, multicellular decomposers, animalia, multicellular consumers. So that's why this is consumers. And fungi, why they are decomposers? Because they are involved in they are growing on the dead and decaying material. So that type of nature, that type of nutritional requirement, nutritional diversity, it is known as saprophytic. Saprophytic. Is that clear, guys? So Monera, they are nutritionally very diverse. You can say if we will discuss about the Monera, look here. First kingdom now, kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera sole member are bacteria. Monera includes prokaryotes. So all the bacteria, all the prokaryotes, that means here nuclear membrane will be members of this, will be not having true nucleus. So they occur, see, focus on the lecture, guys. Those who are joining right now, yes, try to focus on the lecture, concentrate on the class. Then only you can give answer, solve the MCQs at the end. Monera, all the members of the Monera, they are prokaryotes. That means not possessing proper true nucleus, without nuclear membrane. Nucleus is without nuclear, devoid of nuclear membrane, right? So they occur everywhere, also in extreme habitats. So nutritionally they are very diverse. You can say here nutritionally they are diverse. They can be present everywhere, omnipresent. They are known as omnipresent. They are called omnipresent. Omnipresent, that means present everywhere. Or there is one more term, that is ubiquitous. So Monera, they are ubiquitous, present everywhere. So bacteria can exist in four different shapes. rod shape, enjoying here how it looked like. Bacteria, they are rod shaped. That means if you see the rod shaped, they look like this, short rods. Cocci shaped, that means spherical. Cocci shaped, that means spherical. Okay, in cocci, they can be staphylococci or streptococci. So staphylococci, that means, see, these are forming bunch like this. Cocci shape, they are forming bunches like this. So staphylococci can be of diplococci, tetrococci. So like that, see, they can be diplococci means they will be found in two ka bunch of two. Streptococci, that means strepto, that means long chains. So these spherical shaped, they are forming a long chain, arranged in a long chain. Then comma shaped, like this. You can see pleomorphism in comma-shaped organism. Pleomorphism, that means they can change, they can be present in any different type of shape. Then spirochetes or spiral shaped. So this type of spiral organism, if you have observed in um, advertisement of any toothpaste or toothbrush, then they will show this type of spirochetes, spiral organism present over our teeth. So they are motile. They are motile with endoflagella. Endoflagellum. Okay, guys, I hope this is getting clear. Then they show extensive metabolic diversity from the photoautotroph, heterotroph, parasite, chemoautotrophs, etc. Photoautotroph, that means which is the light, which is the source of energy for them. Come on, write in the chat section. Yes, Kiran. Photoautotrophs. What will be the source of the energy? Source of energy for photoautotrophs. Autotrophs, that means they'll be making their food on their own. What is the meaning of photoautotrophs? Come on, those who have joined, answer in your chat section. Auto means on their own. They are not dependent on any other organism. Okay, what is the meaning of photo? What is the source of energy for photoautotrophs? So photo, that means light, it is source of energy here. And autotroph, that means they can make their food on their own. In case of chemoautotrophs, chemicals, that means which type of chemicals? We are not talking about the organic chemicals here. Inorganic, simple, inorganic chemicals will serve as their uh, source of energy. Parasite, they are dependent. Yes, photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight, correct? Kiran, so source of energy is light. See, whenever you want to make any type of food, you'll require one or other type of energy source, right? Either we will be using a gas stove, induction cooktop, OTG, microwave, any type of heat energy you will require. So here, how they will get energy? From light. And in this chemoautotrophs, they'll get energy from inorganic chemicals like sulfates, phosphates, nitrates. From these, they'll be reducing this inorganic chemicals and they'll get energy from it. Heterotrophs simply depend on the other autotrophs, parasites. They might be endoparasite, exoparasites, ectoparasites, growing inside or over the any other organism. So nutritionally they are very diversified organism. Metabolically they are very diverse. Okay. So Monera can be divided into Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Who has given this type of classification now? Six kingdom classification. Six kingdom classification or three domain classification. Who has proposed this thing? Who's? Not who's. Yes. Second. So Carl Woos, he has proposed six kingdom classification. It is also known as three domain classification. Which three domain? Monera, or you can say bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. So according to this bacteria or Monera, it is again divided into two, that is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Now it's about Archaebacteria. So Archaebacteria, they can live in the extreme harsh habitats such as marshy areas, salty areas, and hot springs, hot water springs also. So they have different cell wall composition. What is the difference? Where is the difference from the bacteria? How they are different? The cell and you can say cell membrane or the cell wall structure. It is different. That's why they can survive in this extreme habitats. Methanogens are present in the gut of the several ruminant animals, mostly cattle, and they are responsible for production of methane gas. What is ruminant? In case of these type of cattle, cow, buffalo, these type of organism, these type of animals, they have one separate a part in their alimentary canal, that is known as rumen. Okay, that is called rumen. So what they do, they generally carry out chewing the cud type of thing. Chewing the cud, that means first they'll swallow everything, then whenever they will get enough time, they'll get their food, they'll bring it back to their mouth, and then they'll start chewing. This is known as chewing the cud process. So actually this food is stored in their rumen. Okay, in the rumen, methanogens are there, and so methanogens will be present in the dung of all these animals. So methanogens, they are the bacteria which can produce methane. So methane gas, we can use it as biogas, as a fuel. I hope this is getting clear till Archaebacteria. Now eubacteria include cyanobacteria, chemoautotrophs, all the pathogens, mycoplasmas, etc. Now first I'll discuss about the eubacteria here. Yes. So eubacteria, that means true bacteria. So again I am repeating, bacteria, that means Monera. It is Monera only. So no nuclear envelope, or you can say nuclear membrane. It includes photoautotrophs like cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, they are also known as blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. Another name, common name of cyanobacteria, it is blue-green algae. The See, they are known as algae, but not actually eukaryotes. They are bacteria only, so part of Monera only. So, in cyanobacteria, they form gelatinous sheath and in form of heterocyst. They can fix nitrogen. They can carry out nitrogen fixation. Okay, so these are, they have the chlorophyll, or you can say pigment related to plants. Pigment just like the plants. Like chlorophyll. But they are bacteria, so they'll be not having any no, not having membrane bound organelles. No membrane bound organelles. Absent. Got this point? So in case, now next it is in cyanobacteria, then next it is about heterotrophs. So all the bacteria like lactobacillus, which is involved to make curd making, antibiotic formation, synthesis of antibiotic. All these are heterotrophs. Even parasites, they are also one type of heterotroph only. Then what about mycoplasmas? They are also known as, previously they are called, commonly known as pleuropneumonia like organism. PPLO. So smallest organism, and which lack cell wall. No cell wall. They are parasitic. So all these are part of, they are true bacteria only. See here, cell wall is not there, but nucleus is also not having nuclear membrane. Okay. So I hope the first kingdom, that is kingdom Monera, it is clear. In that we have discussed eubacteria and archaebacteria in detail. Archaea and eubacteria in detail. Any doubt in it? Anyone? Those who have joined, you can ask your doubt in chat section. Yes. Next kingdom is kingdom Protista. So Protista includes, see, previously all the organisms they were placed here and there from the Protista, and now they are placed together in form of kingdom Protista. So all the eukaryotes, but unicellular eukaryotes, only unicellular eukaryotes, they are kept in kingdom Protista. Okay, so first member of the kingdom Protista, it is chrysophytes. Chrysophytes include diatoms and golden algae. Diatoms and golden algae. So they are, see, remember, these are nutritionally again diversified organisms. They show different, see, different group shows different type of nutritional metabolic diversity. Chrysophytes photosynthetic. Photosynthetic, that means they can carry out photosynthesis. They are also known as phytoplanktons. What is the meaning of plankton, guys? Can anyone tell me? Meaning of this plankton. That means floating is there. They can float. Floating with water current. So movement is there, but along with the water. So they can move, but not having any type of flagella or anything for motility. They just float, they just move along with the water current. That is known as plankton. Then they can form these. See, this chrysophytes, their cell wall. Cell wall is made up of what? Silica. Cell wall of chrysophytes, it is made up of, especially in case of diatoms, it is made up of silica. So silica, and it forms this type of soap box type of structure. Soap box type of structure. So one layer will fix over the other layer like that. They'll form this type of soap box type of structure, and that's why these silica, it can persist for longer period of time, and it is not decaying, degrading. That's why they can form diatomaceous earth. It's result into formation of diatomaceous earth. And what is the use of the diatomaceous earth? So we can use it for the filtration of oils and syrups, and we can use them for polishing something. Okay, for polishing some things, and for filtering oils and syrups. They are chief producer in ocean. Chief producer of ocean. Then next member of the Protista kingdom, it is dinoflagellates. So dinoflagellates having two flagellas, one longitudinal and one transversely arranged. They are also photosynthetic, but they are found in different colors. Different colors. Because of they'll have different pigments. Based on their pigment composition, they'll be present in different colors. Okay. So they are responsible for red tide formation and sea. Red tide formation, like species of the dinoflagellates, goniolates, responsible for this red tide formation, and it secretes some poison, release some toxin, which is responsible. This toxin, due to this toxin, most of the marine life will be killed. So if there is any red tide formation in any in sea, and because of this red tide, there will be other marine life will be killed. Okay, now next group of organism, next group in the kingdom Protista, that is euglenoid. So euglenoids, that's till euglenoids, chrysophytes and dinoflagellates, they were photosynthetic. Now euglenoid, they are actually linked between photosynthetic or autotrophs and heterotrophs. So they can carry out photosynthesis when light is present. When light is absent, then they'll start eating other organisms. That means they become heterotroph. So that's why we are linked between photo and heterotroph. See, till this point, here we have discussed the cell wall is containing silica. Here in this case, cell wall is made up of stiff cellulose. But here cell wall is absent, no cell wall. Instead of cell wall, they have pellicle layer. This pellicle layer is made up of protein. It is made up of protein. It is made up of protein. So that's why it is flexible. So member of this euglenoid, euglena, these are also having two flagellas. Two flagella. One long and one short. So remember one thing, first chrysophytes, they were photosynthetic, dinoflagellates, they were photosynthetic, euglenoids, they are between photo and heterotroph, sometimes photosynthetic, sometimes heterotrophic. When light present, phototroph, when light absent, heterotroph. Their cell wall is not their cell wall, instead of cell wall, the layer or the membrane, it is made up of protein which is known as pellicle. And because of this only, they are flexible. Then next member of the kingdom protisters, lime molds. So now it is they are saprophytic. Saprose means rotten. So depend on, they will grow on dead and decaying material. Dead and decaying matter. So simply they'll secrete something outside their body and then they start decaying the material. So present over the something which is going to spoil. Over that they'll start grow just like fungi. So they are saprophytic protist. Why they are protist? Because mostly they are unicellular. So in suitable condition they form aggregation of the call. See, remember in suitable condition only they form aggregation. Aggregation of the cells together, that is known as plasmodium here. In unfavorable condition they'll form this type of fruiting body, okay, which bears the spores, because spores can survive for longer period of time. Then protozoa, and that first it is amoeboid shaped protozoa, amoeba, entamoeba histolytica. So it will be having most important characteristic of amoeba or amoeboid shaped protozoan. It is they'll be having pseudopodia to grab their food. See, simply they'll grow their pseudopodia around their food and then they form vacuole and grab it inside or get it inside their cell, that is known as endocytosis or phagocytosis. So, entamoeba histolytica type of parasitic, they can cause a disease also like amoebiosis. Then flagellated protozoan includes trypanosoma, responsible for sleeping sickness. Next, sporozoan. Four stages there in their life cycle like Plasmodium vermix, Plasmodium falciparum. Right now it's season for malaria and all these things. So malarian parasite involved in sporozoans type of protozoan, Plasmodium. Okay. So in their life cycles, four stages there. That's why they are known as sporozoans. Then ciliated protozoan inclusive slipper shaped with lot of cilia over it, and a gullet is also present. This is called paramecium. Example is paramecium. They have a opening for the food and all, so that is known as gullet. So in case of gullet, they'll open up towards the environment. So this is about kingdom protista. We are keeping till this point only for this class. Remaining kingdom fungi, plantae and animalia and viruses and some other points we'll discuss in next class. Right now, don't go anywhere. We'll be discussing few questions and CQs right now. So do not go anywhere. So before, if you haven't downloaded the Spark Academy app, yes, you can go through it. You can download the app. So this is our app. Look into the logo first. So same logo type. You need to focus on the logo and Spark Academy. Install it from this Play Store and then check for the discounts and the courses available right now. After you join the class, then you'll be having all these things available right now. Inter plus JEE NEET EAMCET 10 to 4 is the timing. Long term coaching 10 to 4 again timing. Regular coaching, that means those who are going to college and 11th and 12th they are doing right now. So they, along with your 11th and 12th, if they are preparing for NEET EAMCET JEE, then timings are 6 to 8. School tutorial we are starting from this year only. So 5 to 8 is the timing. So we have our 3 branches: ECL, Narayanpura, Mehdipatnam. Whichever is convenient to you, you can join for the classroom coaching. Link is given in the description box, guys. Link for the Spark store, it is there in the description box. So you can purchase all these things from the Spark store. Online coaching is also going on for NEET, JEE, and EAMCET. So you can go for it. You can join us for better and clear concept clearing and for better practice also. So yes, the same coupon code you can use, that is VAI10, to get discounts. On daily basis, on demand, we are conducting live sessions. We have a separate doubt clarification sessions also, so that we simply discuss our doubts and clear the doubts, and complete revision, one shot revision type of thing is there. So this is how on daily basis we are giving assignments, and we are checking that also, and test analysis you can get like this. Why Spark? Because highly experienced faculty can understand from the class itself. That's how we are making you, how we are clearing your concepts, and we based on the different examples we clear your concepts. So personalized coaching, we are giving process oriented coaching and personal mentoring and doubt clarification with limited batch size. So yes, go for it right now. Download the app and enroll right now. If you enroll for the hybrid coaching, if you are in Hyderabad, then I will suggest you to access for the classroom coaching. If you don't want to go for it, then it's okay. In online classes also, we are clearing all your concepts, and we are explaining. We are trying our level best, but if you are opting for the hybrid coaching, you will be not having, I mean, you will be having access to the online classes. But if you opt for online coaching, then yes, you will be not having access to the classroom. Then books we are providing for the classroom coaching only, not for the online. For online one, we are providing online materials only. So online material will be available for both of you, whether hybrid or online coaching. Tests, same grand test, weekly test available for both of them. Doubt clarification, yes, we can clear doubt personally if we are coming, or you can say if you are coming to the classroom. In online, you'll be having online access through chats only, you can clear your doubts. So now first question, which of the following are likely to be present in the deep sea water? Which of the following is present in the deep sea water? Come on. Question number 1. Answer A, B, C, D. Select from the answers. So you need to do not forget to write the question number, guys, because it will take fraction of second, or you can say few seconds, to flash your answer in my screen, on my screen. So that's why do not forget to write with the question number. 1 A, B, C, D. Come on, this is a PYQ only to 2013. Asked question in that. Yes, come on, answer for this question, guys. Waiting for your answer. Niharika, Kiran, and those who have joined. Yes, correct answer is Archibacteria. So they live in some of the most harsh habitats. So it's 1D. 1D, correct answer is 1D, Archaebacteria nidhi. Niharika, 1D. Sorry. Yeah. So it's not saprophytic fungi, it's 1D. Harsh conditions. It's okay. You can give it a try. Next question, which one of the following is true for fungi? Which one is true for fungi? They are phagotrophs. They lack rigid cell wall. They are heterotrophs. They lack nuclear membrane. True for fungi. Come on, quick. Be quick. We have 10 to 12 questions to solve. And we have only 10 minutes. 9 minutes. Faster. Yes, correct answer is fungi like chlorophyll, hence see they are heterotrophs. As they do not have chlorophyll, they are not autotrophs. Yes, to C, true about true. Kiran, why to B? They lack rigid cell wall? No, they have continuous cell wall. They have continuous cell wall. So correct answer is to C. Yes. Third question, specialized cell for the fixing atmospheric nitrogen in nostoc. Do you need any hints for this or you will select the answer? Come on quick. Correct, nostoc is a type of blue-green algae or you can say cyanobacteria. Correct answer. Yes, Kiran, you're right. 3B is correct. Heterocyst. Right, Niharika. 3B. Correct. Fourth question, five kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whitaker is not based on, let me give this answer, it is not based on the presence or absence of the well-defined nucleus. So not based on that. He has considered reproduction, nutrition, complexity, everything, but not the nucleus mainly. Okay. Then fifth question, Archaebacteria differ from the eubacteria in cell membrane, mode of nutrition, cell shape, mode of reproduction. What? Fifth question, come on. Fifth A, B, C, D. Quick. Cell membrane, mode of nutrition, cell shape. See, what is the difference? Yes, correct, right. Right, 5A, cell membrane. Then the motile bacteria are able to move by what? Easy peasy. Correct, Niharika. Motile bacteria are able to move by what? Come on, quick answers. Correct. 6B, Niharika, Kiran, you're right. Then seventh question. True nucleus is absent in which mucor, Vocaria, Volvox, Anabina. Which of these two true nucleus with nuclear membrane is absent? Come on, quick. Yes, correct answer is Anabina because it's a blue-green algae, or you can say it's a cyanobacteria. So cyanobacteria involves in Monera group, so no true nucleus, right? Right, Kiran, 7th D. Then which of the following structure is not found in the prokaryotic cell? You all know about that, nuclear envelope. Okay. Then which of the following statement is wrong? Which one of is wrong? Right, true nucleus is absent in bacteria, right, Niharika? So, Anabina, it's a type of cyanobacteria which comes under the kingdom Monera only. That's why. Blue-green algae is common name, not a proper name, not a biological name. So, biologically, it's prokaryote only. Which of the following statement is wrong? Ninth question, come on, quick answers. Easy peasy, correct. 9C, eubacteria are also called false bacteria. No, they are true bacteria. Then, which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Extreme conditions. Which organisms are found in extreme conditions? Right, Archibacteria, right. Very good. So now, yes, you can join us on Telegram link. You can follow us on Telegram also. This is your homework question. Right, Niharika, 10th D, Nidhi, correct. So solve this question and answer in the comment section. Answer in the your comments. We take a system of the classification. Prokaryotes are placed in the kingdom which? What kingdom? Then second question, the chief component of the bacterial cell wall is? What is the cell wall of the bacteria made up of? Bacteria, third question, whose cell has only curve or comma is known as what? Yes, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification. These are our past previous year results. So ranks, admissions are open right now for classroom as well as online coaching. Thank you so much everyone. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm waiting for your comments guys. I'm waiting for your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much.